I use freshly made Greek yogurt that is nice and creamy thick and blend it with fresh mangoes and a little honey to make all natural mango frozen yogurt. Mangoes have a large flat seed that I simply cut around and cut away the skin to remove the fruit that's still surrounding the pit. I score the fruit in both directions and bend the skin so the fruit pops up and I can cut it away from the skin. I add the fruit to the blender and use the volume measure on the outside of the blender top to reach a total volume of 500 milliliters. I blend until smooth and strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a glass mason jar. I tasted for sweetness and added a little honey. When the bowl of the ice cream maker was frosty cold, I turned on the paddle and poured in the mango yogurt. The frozen yogurt is ready when it comes away from the bowl and is very thick and creamy looking. I scrape down the bowl and paddle with a rubber spatula and scoop the frozen yogurt into a 500 milliliter mason jar. Another way to make frozen yogurt if the ice cream machine is not available is to use a blender and blend frozen ingredients to a semi-frozen consistency. Frozen yogurt is lighter in texture than an ice cream custard and a healthier alternative to it as well. I added a couple scoops of mango frozen yogurt to a 125 milliliter mason jar and ate it with a small demi-tasse spoon. A healthy and refreshing mango treat.